Valentine's Day is almost here, and you've got the perfect plan, the perfect outfit. But what if I told you a disaster is brewing right now, on your skin? We all want that radiant, lit from within glow for our big date. But some of the things we do to prepare can totally backfire, leaving us with redness, breakouts, and irritation. Imagine this: you spent a ton on that fancy facial, only to wake up on Valentine's morning with a brand new pimple. Or you waxed everything for that silky smooth feel, but now you're covered in angry red bumps. It's a nightmare. The worst part? You might be making a huge mistake that's not just ruining your date night, but actually aging your skin faster. So let's talk about the first major culprit. It's something you probably think is helping, but it's actually a top-tier skin saboteur, especially right before a big event. It's over-exfoliating. I know. You want to scrub away all the dullness to reveal that baby soft skin underneath. You grab your favorite apricot scrub or a powerful acid toner and go to town, thinking more is more. But you are literally scrubbing away your skin's protective barrier. This barrier, your acid mantle, is what keeps moisture in and bad bacteria out. When you strip it away, your skin freaks out. It becomes dehydrated, sensitive, and inflamed. Instead of a healthy glow, you get a raw, blotchy, and irritated complexion. And guess what a compromised skin barrier loves to do? Produce more oil to compensate, which leads to clogged pores and, you guessed it, breakouts. So that aggressive scrub you used the night before your date, it's the very reason you woke up with a giant pimple on your chin. The key is gentle, consistent exfoliation, not a full-on assault right before you need your skin to look its best. Okay, let's move on to the second disaster waiting to happen. Trying a brand new product right before Valentine's Day. We've all been there. You see an ad for a miracle mask that promises to give you glass skin in 10 minutes. Or you splurge on a super potent vitamin C serum everyone is raving about. You think, this is perfect. I'll use it the night before my date and wake up looking amazing. This is a massive gamble. You have no idea how your skin will react to new ingredients. You could have a hidden allergy or sensitivity that results in a full-blown allergic reaction. We're talking hives, rashes, and swelling. Not exactly the romantic look you were going for. Even if you don't have an allergy, powerful active ingredients can cause what's called purging, where your skin gets worse before it gets better. It pushes all the underlying congestion to the surface at once, leading to a sudden explosion of blemishes. A new product needs a patch test and a slow introduction over several weeks. Not a trial run the night before the most romantic day of the year. Stick to your tried and true routine that you know your skin loves. Don't let the temptation of a quick fix ruin your date. Let's dive into the third common mistake, and it's a big one for anyone planning on being extra smooth for Valentine's Day. I'm talking about waxing or shaving improperly. You want that flawless, hair-free skin, so you book a last-minute wax appointment or grab a razor right before you get ready. Big mistake. Waxing, especially if you're not used to it, can cause significant irritation, redness, and those dreaded ingrown hairs. The skin is traumatized and it needs time to calm down. Getting waxed the day of or the day before your date is asking for a red, bumpy disaster. Ideally, you should wax at least 3 to 4 days beforehand to give your skin time to recover. And shaving? Rushing it with a dull blade and no shaving cream is a recipe for razor burn and nicks. That stinging red rash is not a good look with your little black dress. For a perfect shave, always use a sharp, clean razor, plenty of shaving gel or cream, and shave in the direction of hair growth. Follow up with a soothing, fragrance-free moisturizer to calm the skin. A little planning here goes a long way in preventing a painful, bumpy situation. Now for our fourth Valentine skin sin. Skipping moisturizer because you think it'll make you greasy. This is a huge myth, especially for those with oily or combination skin. You're getting ready for your date. You want your makeup to last all night. and you think, if I skip the cream, my face will stay matte longer. The opposite is true. When you deprive your skin of hydration, it panics and goes into oil production overdrive to compensate for the dryness. So, by mid-dinner, you're not just a little dewy, you're a full-on oil slick. Your makeup starts to slide around, separate, and look cakey. Proper hydration is the foundation of balanced, healthy skin, regardless of your skin type. It plumps up the skin, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and creates a smooth canvas for makeup to adhere to. The key is to choose the right moisturizer for your skin type. If you're oily, look for a lightweight, oil-free gel or lotion. This will give your skin the water it needs without adding extra grease. A hydrated face is a happy face, and it's the secret to makeup that looks fresh from the first drink to the last dance. The fifth mistake is a classic, but it's amazing how many of us are guilty of it, especially under pressure. It's popping or picking up blemishes. You wake up on Valentine's morning, and there it is, a small whitehead, just taunting you from the mirror. Your brain screams, "Get it!" You think you can just give it a little squeeze, and it will be gone. But 99% of the time, you make it 1,000 times worse. When you squeeze a pimple, you're often pushing the bacteria and inflammation deeper into the skin, which can turn a tiny spot into a massive, angry cyst. You also risk breaking the skin, creating an open wound that's impossible to cover with concealer. It will scab over and look way more noticeable than the original pimple ever did. And the worst part, you're creating a high risk for permanent scarring and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, those dark spots that linger for months. So, what do you do instead? Hands off. Apply a spot treatment with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, or better yet, stick on a hydrocolloid pimple patch. These little miracle stickers will draw out the gunk, reduce inflammation, and protect the spot from your fingers, all while being nearly invisible under makeup. Resist the urge to pick. Your skin will thank you for it. Let's talk about the sixth mistake, which is all about your makeup. You want to look extra special for your date, so you decide to pile on the foundation, concealer, powder, and setting spray. You're going for flawless, but you end up with cake face. Heavy, thick layers of makeup, especially if they aren't properly blended, will settle into every fine line and pore, actually making you look older. Instead of a radiant glow, you get a dull, flat mask. Natural light, and even romantic candlelight, is unforgiving to cakey makeup. The key to beautiful date night makeup is to enhance, not cover. Start with a hydrating primer to create a smooth base. Then, use a light to medium coverage foundation and apply it only where you need it, blending it out seamlessly. Use a pinpoint concealing technique for blemishes instead of slathering concealer all over. The goal is for your skin to look like skin. A touch of cream blush and highlighter will bring life and dimension back to your face, giving you that believable, healthy glow that heavy powder just kills. Less is truly more when you want to look effortlessly beautiful. And now for our final, and perhaps most overlooked, Valentine's Day skin disaster. Forgetting about your lips. You spend so much time on your complexion, but you neglect the part of your face that might be getting some special attention. You head out on your date with dry, chapped, flaky lips. Not only does this feel uncomfortable, but it makes your lipstick look terrible. It will cling to the dry patches, look uneven, and fade into a weird, patchy mess. You don't want your date to be distracted by your crusty lips. A perfect pout starts with exfoliation and hydration. The night before, or even the morning of, gently exfoliate your lips. You can use a dedicated lip scrub, or even just a soft, damp washcloth or a clean toothbrush. Gently rub in circular motions to slough off any dead skin. Immediately follow up with a thick, nourishing lip balm or a lip mask. Let it sink in while you do the rest of your makeup. Right before you apply your lipstick, blot off any excess balm. This creates a smooth, hydrated canvas. Your lipstick will glide on evenly, look vibrant, and feel comfortable all night long. Smooth, kissable lips are a non-negotiable part of your Valentine's Day prep. Don't let this simple step be your downfall. So there you have it. 7 common skin mistakes that can turn your romantic evening into a beauty bummer. From being too aggressive with exfoliation to forgetting about your lips. These simple missteps are so easy to make when you're trying to look your best. But now you know better. The secret to a perfect Valentine's glow isn't about last-minute panic and extreme measures. It's about being gentle, being prepared, and sticking to what you know works for your skin. So this year, skip the risky new products and the harsh treatments. Focus on hydration, gentle care, and smart prep. Let your natural beauty shine through. I hope these tips help you feel confident and beautiful for your big date. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more skincare advice. Thanks for watching.